Thinking about installing a whole home water softener and wondering how to handle that discharge drain without risking backups, cross-contamination, or sewer gas in your basement? Alright, so first off, you want to make sure the drain line from your water softener connects properly to your main sewer line, but with safety in mind. The best way is usually using a standpipe with a trap and an air gap. This setup stops any dirty water from flowing back into your clean water system and blocks sewer gases from sneaking into your basement. A 1-inch minimum air gap is standard to keep everything separated. Avoid just drilling and tapping into your sewer line without any kind of air gap or check valve, because that can risk cross-contamination, which is definitely not what you want. If you have a floor drain nearby, that sometimes works too, but again, you need that trap and air gap to prevent smells and backup. Check the local plumbing codes too. They often require these safety measures for good reason. Also, make sure the trap is properly vented so it doesn't dry out and lose its seal, which would let sewer gas in. Keeping the drain line above the flood rim of the standpipe helps prevent backflow if there's a clog or heavy flow. One of the most common mistakes people make when installing a water softener drain line is skipping the air gap or trap. That's a big no-no because it can cause cross-contamination and let sewer gas into your home. Another issue is connecting directly to the sewer line without a proper check valve or backflow preventer, which also risks dirty water flowing backward. Lastly, some folks forget to follow local plumbing codes or don't vent the trap properly, leading to dry traps and smelly basements. Fix these by always using a standpipe with a trap and air gap. Install a check valve if required or recommended, and double-check your local regulations before hooking everything up. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy to find trusted local contractors who know this stuff inside out, so you don't have to worry about DIY disasters. Contractors get connected with homeowners ready to start projects, making it a win-win for everyone involved.